Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent these next products for an honest preview. That's exactly what I'm going to do because I used them last weekend and I'm going to use them this weekend as well. I've got a bunch of weddings I have to travel to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab my suits and just go. Watch this. These are cool new garment bags. Check this out. I have two of them, one here, one in there. They hang on the bar in your closet. That's just how they hang. That's cool. My suit is actually in here. Here's a hanger to the suit. It comes out through the top. It's nice and enclosed. Cool thing about this garment bag, it protects it from dust. It's a durable material. It's a strong material. You can see I have a little bit of cat fur and dog fur on the outside, but it keeps my suit from actually getting any of that. So it protects it from dust. It's actually waterproof as well. This is a thick material. It's nice and strong. It really works pretty well. Now, you'll notice right off the bat, I've got a window. A lot of garment bags don't have that, but this window shows me that this is my gray suit. And in fact, if I use the zipper, it's a very nice zipper. Ta-da! There's my gray suit. There you go. And I'll zip it back up. It's a nice smooth zipper and it works very well. You'll also see over here is a pocket. I put my name in it just so we kind of know whose it is. I also have my son's here. Look at that. My son, you can see there's his name. And then you can see, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's actually a dark blue suit. But you got the same thing. So you have two suits right there. Nice and easy to carry, nice and easy to pick up. So often when you have garment bags, you have to kind of carry them up high so they don't drag on the ground. You have to find some place to hang them, but not with these garment bags. These garment bags are actually really clever because at the very bottom is a little hole. You think, what the heck's that for? Watch this. I'm going to take my garment bag and I'm going to fold it up, and I put the hole right over the hanger right there, like that. And oh, look at this. I have two canvas straps on the side. And what this does is it turns a great big long garment bag into like a regular old suitcase. I can just carry it like this. I can walk through airports, I can go through train stations, I can load it in my car. It's all nice and easy to carry with these. Again, these are double stitched. These are nice strong straps. And now I can carry my garment bag in a hand at my waist level and it's not dragging on the ground. That is really cool. So fold it up, easy to carry. Go ahead and pull it out right off my hook, keeps it protected inside my closet. I fold it up and I can go. When I'm done, back from my trip, I just go ahead, I pull it off the hook like that, just like that. And there we go, we're done. I hang it back up and I'm good to go. The garment bags just come with garment bags. They don't come with hangers. You use your own hangers for your own suits. They work with dresses as well. My wife has gone ahead and put her dresses in here as well. So whether you have suits, jackets, pants, dresses, anything you want, these things protect the clothes. They keep the clothes nice and straight when they're hanging up, and then you can just kind of hand fold them and carry them for travel. They're really very helpful. And the best part about this is as I walk to the car, I can just go ahead and carry these in my hand just like this, and I can just walk out to the car and throw them in. Here's my car. There are my suits, nice and good. I'm done. When I'm coming home, same thing. I just pick them up out of the car, carry them with my handles. I can go ahead and hang them up in my closet just like this. They're in the bags the whole time, nice and secure, easy. These are highly recommended. I really like them. These are great garment bags.